Today, we are going to test your skill in reading math sentences. You are asked to read twice, clearly, and pronounce them properly. After which, I will read the sentence but listen to them carefully how I pronounce the sentence. As a practice, you may record while reading them yourself and have them reviewed by someone to point any possible mistakes. Are you ready? This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging effective ang ating program, kailangan ng tulong ng mga magulang at mga ibang miyembro ng family. Item number 1. Kindly read the sentence twice. Ten minus 0 is equal to 10. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Kindly read. Item number 2. Kindly read the sentence twice. Ten minus 5 is equal to 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Kindly read. Item number 3. Kindly read the sentence twice. Eight minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Kindly read. Item number 4. Kindly read the sentence twice. Seven is equal to 0. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Kindly read. Item number 5. Kindly read the sentence twice. Eleven minus 4 is equal to 7. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Kindly read. Item number 6. Kindly read the sentence twice. Five minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Kindly read. Item number 7. Kindly read the sentence twice. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Kindly read. Item number 8. Kindly read the sentence twice. Nine minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Kindly read. Item number 9. Kindly read the sentence twice. Ten minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Kindly read. Item number 10. Kindly read the sentence twice. Ten minus 9 is equal to 1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Kindly read. Congratulations, kids! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.